T-Dog Nation, I am back, and welcome to Season 1, main event number 2 of our Monster Truck seasons and events. These 8 lucky trucks made their way to the main event to see who can conquer the Mega Mountain and be on top for season number 1. So with that being said, let's get right into main event number 2. Kicking off the main event, we have Hwmt and Town Hauler. But just a reminder, these are best of 3 races. Here we go. The Mega Mountain main event, it's gonna be Town Hauler. Can Town Hauler go 2 for 2? No, Hwmt takes it. And of course, we're going backwards. It's gonna be Hwmt. Next up, we got Tiger Shark and Snakebite. Go. First race is gonna be Snakebite. Race 2, here we go. And Snakebite goes 2 for 2. And Tiger Shark could get stuck on top of the mountain. Next up, we got Cage Rattler and Mega Wrex. Go. Mega Wrex takes the first race. Can Mega Wrex go to the round of 4? Yes, he can. Ending this first round of the main event is Rodger, and in second place, the Mercedes-Benz UNIMOG. Go. Oh, Rodger! Can Rodger go 2 for 2? No, the Mercedes gets this race. And of course, we're going backwards. Rodger. Truck 1 going to the contender round is either Hwmt or Snakebite. Oh, Snakebite takes race 1. Can Snakebite go 2 for 2? Yes, he can, no problem. Joining Snakebite in the contender round is either Wrex or Rodger Dodger. Go! Oh, Wrex gets the first race. Can Rodger Dodger stop Wrex? No, Wrex takes it. The contender round for the second main event, but this time for the Mega Mountain, is here. Snakebite versus Wrex. This is a best of 3. Race 1, here we go. And Wrex gets the first race. If Wrex takes this, it's all over. But can Snakebite stop him? No, it is over, folks. But before we congratulate our main event champ, let's go over the trucks and their points. Coming in with a whopping one point is Town Hauler. Next up is Tiger Shark, coming in with 2 points added to their scorecard. Next is Cage Rattler with 3 more points. And next up is the Mercedes-Benz UNIMOG with 4 more points. Next up is Dynamite with 5 more points added to their scorecard. Coming in third is Rodger Dodger with 6 more points also added to their scorecard. Coming in second place in the Mega Mountain main event is Snakebite with 7 points. And lastly, we cannot forget our Mega Mountain main event champion, Wrex, with 8 points added to their scorecard. There you go, T-Dog Nation. The Mega Mountain is now complete, and up in event number 3 will be the rollback tournament. But before I sign off, let's take a look at those at those points. And with that being said, I will see you guys next time, because coming Tuesday is the first Hot Wheels Decide Your Ride of 2023.